In front of me is REALME Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service. And tap on blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those options are gray, which means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!